Hello, today we will guide you through how to add TXT record in Cloudflare DNS. To begin, open your Cloudflare account homepage and make sure you are signed in. From the account dashboard, locate the domain you want to update and click on the sample domain shown in your account. This will take you into that domain's management area where all of its settings and DNS options are available. Once you are inside the domain dashboard, look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on DNS. This is the section where Cloudflare lets you manage the records that control how your domain connects to services like websites, email, and verification tools. After opening DNS, click on Records so you can view and manage the full list of DNS entries for that domain. Now that you are on the Records page, click on Add Record. This opens the form used to create a new DNS entry. In the form, click on the Type drop-down menu. Cloudflare supports several record types, so this is where you choose the kind of record you need. From the list, select Type. With TXT selected, you can now fill in the required fields. In the name field, enter the sample name provided for your record. This value tells Cloudflare where the TXT record should be placed within your domain. Depending on your use case, this might be the root domain or a specific subdomain, so it's a good idea to enter it exactly as given. Next, move to the content field and enter the sample content. This is the actual TXT value that will be stored in DNS. TXT records are often used for domain verification, email authentication, or service configuration, so accuracy matters here. Be careful to copy the text exactly, including any symbols, punctuation, or spacing, because even a small difference can cause verification or configuration issues. Once you have entered the name and content, review everything one more time to make sure it matches the values you were given. When you're ready, click Save. After saving, Cloudflare will add the new TXT record to your DNS records list. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully propagate, so if the record is being used for verification, it may not work instantly. If needed, give it a few minutes and then check again. That's it. You've successfully added a TXT record in Cloudflare DNS.